So this is a quick review of what the absolute value of a number is. So the absolute value signs look like straight lines that are on either side of some sort of expression or number. So for example, you might see this, the absolute value of 5, or you might see the absolute value of x minus 1. So we need to figure out what the heck does absolute value mean. So the absolute value of a number is its distance from 0 on a number line. So if I want to know what the absolute value of, let's say, 4 is, for example, that's just saying how many spaces away is it from 0? Well, obviously it's 4. So the absolute value of 4 is 4. But if I want to know the absolute value of negative 4, well, that's just saying how many spaces, or what's the distance from negative 4 to 0. That's also 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. So if absolute value is really a distance, distance can only be positive, which means an absolute value of a number can only be positive. So let's try another one. What would be the absolute value of negative 2? Well, the absolute value of negative 2 would be 2 spaces from 0, so it would be 2. And how about the absolute value of 6? Well, the absolute 6 is 6 spaces from 0, so it's going to be 6. So if you see a pattern, anytime a positive number goes inside an absolute value function, it comes out the exact same. But anytime a negative number goes in the absolute value function, it comes out the opposite. It comes out positive. So anything that goes into this function is going to come out positive. So let's try one more example. What if I want to know the absolute value of negative 107? Well, negative 107 is going to be 107 spaces from 0, so the answer is 107. What if I want to know the absolute value of a positive 107? Well, that also has a different distance of 107.